Listening, Unit 4, page 48, D.
You will hear a boy called Danny and a girl called Kathy talking about different people in their family. Decide if each sentence is correct or incorrect. Write T, true, or F, false.
Hi, Danny. How are you? The last time I saw you, you weren't getting on very well with your brother and sister. Are things any better?
Well, sort of. I'm speaking to my younger brother now, but he still drives me crazy when he takes things from my room and he doesn't ask me first.
Yes, I totally understand how you feel. My sister often goes into my room and borrows my clothes, but she doesn't tell me. It makes me so angry. What about your sister?
She's okay. I think because she is the oldest, she tries to stop my brother and me arguing all the time. In fact, she really listens to my problems and tries to help me when I'm in a bad mood.
That's great. My dad is usually the one that helps us solve problems when we don't agree on things in my house. He always tries to make us sit down and talk about things in a calm way.
Really? That's amazing.
Yeah, but it doesn't always work. I find it difficult to say what I really want to say when I'm angry, and then I feel a bit stupid and uncomfortable.
I know what you mean. Anyway, talking about something more positive, I heard you got the highest mark in the class in the maths exam. Your parents must be pleased.
Yeah, I did. But I studied for hours, you know? My mum is so happy. She's been telling everyone about my results. How embarrassing.
Come on, let's celebrate. Do you want an ice cream?